Kutleleza isiruje endleleni iphunga lakhona lijameleki. Seminyaka ema-28 solo kwaba nekululeko eSouth Africa kodwana Izakhamuzi zeNewtown zisalila ngokuhlayela kwezenzela zomphakathi. Umasipala weSteve Tshwete uneminyaka ubalwa njengomunye wabomasipala abaphuma phambili eSouth Africa pha. Wawungomunye wabomasipala abambala babebukwa ngokuletha izenzelo zomphakathi esifundeni seMpumalanga.
This dirty water is making the children sick. People are dumping all sorts of garbage here, urine and human waste. The children are also playing here, getting infested with illnesses. There is no drainage system here. They don't care about us.
Izakhamuzi eziningi zithi zizitlolisela ukufumana izindlu ze-RDP kodwana batsho balinde kwababa amehlo.
I've been staying here since 1996. I've registered for an RDP house and never got it. I don't know whether they sold it or what. Whenever I go to the town council, I'm told that I'm on the waiting list.
Pheze igezi emaphesenti ema-80 ekhiqizwa esifundeni esi kodwana imizi eminingi yendawo le ayinagezi. Abantu bendawo le basebenzisa iindlwana zokuzithuma izakhiwe endleleni ezisetshenziswa umuntu wonke.
The toilets are always full. Sometimes it takes about 6 months before they drain the waste. We have no option but to relieve ourselves in the bush, and it's not safe.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ulindeleke ukwethula ikulumakhe yelanga yokugidinga ilanga lekululeko ngolosithathu kumasipala lo.